Welcome to my channel. How to install Orbi RBK652S Mesh Wi-Fi 6 System Full Setup Guide. 1. Unbox your Orbi system, open the box and take out the router, satellites, power adapters, and Ethernet cable. 2. Connect Orbi router to modem, use the Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the Orbi router's Internet WAN port. 3. Power on devices, plug in your modem first, then the Orbi router. Wait until the LED turns solid white or blue. 4. Place the satellite, keep the satellite in another room, halfway between your router and weak Wi-Fi area. 5. Install Orbi app, download the Netgear Orbi app from Play Store or App Store. 6. Create or login account, open the app and sign in or create a new Netgear account. 7. Follow app setup instructions, tap set up a new system and follow on-screen steps to detect your Orbi router. 8. Set Wi-Fi name password, create your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and a strong password. 9. Sync satellite, press the sync button on the router and satellite. Wait until the LED turns blue, good connection. 10. Test internet connection, connect your phone or laptop to the new Wi-Fi and check if internet is working properly. Thanks for watching.